Today I'm going to teach you how to fix the Elementor Sidebar Widget panel that keeps loading. This is a common issue that can really slow down your workflow. So let's walk through the solution step by step. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and hover over Plugins from the drop-down menu that appears. Click on Installed Plugins. This will bring you to a page displaying all the plugins currently installed on your WordPress site. Now here's where we'll troubleshoot the issue. The loading problem is often caused by plugin conflicts, so we need to isolate which plugin might be causing the trouble. Look for the checkbox at the very top of the plugins list, the one that says plugin. Click on it to select all your plugins at once. However, before we proceed, you need to manually uncheck both Elementor and Elementor Pro. These two should remain active since they're the core of what we're trying to fix. With all other plugins selected, look for the Bulk Actions drop-down menu at the top left, click on it and select Deactivate, then click Apply. This will temporarily disable all your plugins except Elementor and Elementor Pro, allowing us to see if the loading issue resolves. Give it a moment for the changes to take effect. If the sidebar widget panel starts working normally now, you'll know one of those deactivated plugins was causing the conflict. You can reactivate them one by one to identify the culprit, but that's a separate process. Next, let's make sure your theme is up to date, as outdated themes can also interfere with Elementor's functionality. Head back to your WordPress dashboard and look for Updates in the left menu. Click on it. This page shows you all available updates for WordPress core, plugins, and themes. Scroll down until you reach the Themes section. Look for 2024 in the list. If there's an update available, you'll see a checkbox next to it. Check that box, then click the Update Themes button. WordPress will now download and install the latest version of the theme. Wait for the update to complete before moving on. Once the theme update finishes, go back to Elementor and check if the sidebar widget panel is loading properly. In most cases, deactivating conflicting plugins and updating your theme will resolve the issue. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.